Most brands say they have a brand voice, but when you look at their content, it's all over the place. One post sounds serious, another sounds playful, and none of it feels intentional. Well, that usually happens because brand voice lives in documents nobody actually uses. So, in this video, I'm building an AI agent that turns a brand description into clear, usable voice rules you can apply across your content. This is the prompt I will use. I need an AI agent that creates a brand voice from scratch. I explain what the brand does, who it's for, and how I want people to feel. Based on that, it defines how the brand should sound, what language to use, and what to avoid. It gives me simple voice pillars, tone guidelines, and do's and don'ts, plus a rewritten example so I can immediately see the voice in action. Let's try it. Our AI agent is now ready. Let's have a look. Here is the chat section. Let's go to the settings. Here you can see the name of the AI agent, the description, the AI model which was automatically selected. You can select another one from the ones available on the platform if you'd like. The AI agent instructions, these are more complex than the prompt that I have used. The visibility, private or public. Now let's go back. And I have this prompt. I'm using Duolingo as an example, a brand that's playful, encouraging, and never makes people feel bad for making mistakes. Let's see. Now let's take a look at Duolingo's brand voice. So we have the voice pillars, playfully, refreshingly real, bit-sized, brilliant, and warm. The tone guidelines, language preferences, conversational, active present tense verbs, short sentences, and playful vocabulary with personality, of course. The do's and don'ts, what to do, celebrate effort over perfection. Okay, this is great. Don't use guilt or shame as motivation. Okay, and the voice in action. So we have the original sample, which I gave in my previous prompt, that learning a new language can be difficult, but we're here to help you stay consistent. This is kind of basic. So here is the new brand voice rewritten. Okay, real talk, learning a new language is hard, but you've got this. Okay, key voice elements applied, refreshingly real, bit-sized brilliant, warmly mischievous. Okay, good, and context adaptation. On social media, this might become even more unhinged. Languages are hard, but so are you. And these are all the steps you have to follow. Now you can build your own AI agent for your brand voice that stays consistent everywhere.